NRAAM 24 in the EAA booth, actually in the meeting room.
EAA meeting room,
away from the silly public.
Secret squirrel location, the quiet space, our safe space. That's it, our safe space.
Lord, in day 3, we're almost there.
Almost there.
And got a couple here you guys talked about with the launch on Friday. The 2311 line is banging, man. Y'all got different sizes, different calibers, or chamberings.
4 calibers now, up off. So 9 started at 45, 10 mils, 38 supers, not too far away.
Yeah,
doing it all.
Yeah, that's gonna be banging.
4 barrel lengths. That's the new hotness.
Barrel length. Yeah. So 2 here. Let's start with that officer, huh?
Do the officer first. Yeah. This is the one we got a lot of requests for, people talking about, like, hey, you're doing these other guns, you're doing governments, you're doing commanders. If you're doing commanders, you're gonna do an officer. Officer this, officer that, a lot of officer questions. So there it is. Everybody want to know. Took the full size 2311, cut her down to an officer size. She's a 3.4 inch barrel, still running the RMSC plate on the top with an adjustable rear sight. 9 and 45. Still the full size grip, so all the STI pattern mags work with it. Yeah. Still comes with the Checkmate 17 on the 9. These are going to be 9 and 45 only.
Oh, okay.
So we've had people request a 10 mil. I don't think they have thought about what kind of fire breathing dragon a 10 mil is going to be in this.
Yeah.
It's 10 mil is a little handful in this.
How much was it? Is it the Glock 26? No.
The 29 is the baby 10 mil.
Yeah.
It's a handful.
It's a handful. And I don't know the barrel size on that compared to this one, but it's close.
It's pretty close.
I think it's close.
It's close. And it's the Glock 30 made sense with the 21 and the 30.
Yeah.
The 20, the 29, the 29 is a little much.
And this is the poly lower, all that the
poly lower
Glock would be. So I mean, it stands to reason it would be fairly
similar.
And you're not a lot of people like that 29.
No, it's just a snappy gun to shoot.
Yeah,
it's just that's the part of it. But
45 is just, a lot of people scoff it, I think, at 45 ACP.
That's 11 rounds of 45 in this little thing.
I know. And 45 ACP, okay, it's a big cartridge with a big projectile, but it's low pressure. A lot of people
low pressure.
It's low
recoil's
pressure.
really not that bad, especially in this platform.
The recoil impulse with a 45 ACP, the equivalent in a rifle to me would be 45-70. People go, it's a 45-70. It's going to kick my shoulder. And
it's a push. It's a slow push.
Yeah, it's just this because it's large bore.
Correct.
It's low pressure.
Yep.
It's just got a totally different recoil impulse.
Same as this. 45 same way. So it's low pressure. The recoil is really not as bad as anybody thinks. People just amazed. They go, oh, it's 45. It's not. Yeah. It's really a pretty tame gun to shoot.
Now you're going to get some weight with 11 rounds.
Yeah, you got 11 rounds of 45. You're going to get some weight in there. 9, obviously, you're going to have 18 rounds of 9mm on board. You're going to have a little weight in there, too. But 9mm, we all know that's not anything hard to shoot, but pretty slick.
Just another option.
That's it. But let's get to what we really want to talk about.
This one is freaking awesome. And this is this was the one I threw a fit about the case. I think it was MC14. That was such a janky case and everything. Hopefully the factories
didn't care for it. No. It's for shipping and freight reasons. That's why.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
But
you got to be able to get 20 guns.
Look at this. This is one, I don't know what brand to call that, but Pelican-esque.
Very Pelican-esque, yep.
And that's going to be the case for this one.
That is the case for this. So these will actually ship with this. And what's cool about them is it's a pretty solid little case, but it's light. Yeah. Like everybody picks it up. I was like, wait, like really? It's like, some of the Pelicans and SKBs are kind of heavy. This is not. This is still a cool impact plastic case, but it's not crazy. But the beauty is,
y'all have ramped it up.
What's inside?
If there's a knob that goes to 11, and I'm not saying there is, y'all went to 12, I think, with this one.
Yeah, we kind of stepped it up on this one, and so this.
Oh yeah, leave it.
Yeah, in the case, that's what you're gonna get. So that's the new Witness 2311 match. We got some teases of this the other day, but this is it in the flesh.
Wow.
So you get the case, you've got the gun, you've got 2 20-round mags, plus a 17-round on board, plus an optic. All included in the
RMSC,
gun.
I'm guessing, the same as the other 2311.
RMSC. So your updates from the regular 2311 to the 2311 match, you're going to have full rail right off the bat. So that's where you're getting that.
All the rails.
All the rail. You've got Cone barrel, no bushing. So cone barrel lockup on this bad boy. You've got the adjustable rear plate, comes off, RMSC on top.
Oh, wow.
And then it's got the tune trigger.
Yeah.
So this gun, I'm not going to have a published trigger weight on it, but it's pretty nice.
Yeah.
Pretty nice, not going to lie.
It is a match, but it falls into production class.
It falls into most nicer 1911s. It's got a trigger very similar.
Yeah.
But big thing, you get those two 20-round mags. So
and only a 9 on this one.
Only a 9 on this one.
Yeah. Makes sense.
Strictly 9mm.
Big shout out to our friends at Gideon Optics for helping us with the trip to NRAAM. Gideon Optics offers a variety of LPBO, dot, and prism optics. My favorites are the Rock dot sighting green, which I have on my Kiger 9C Pro, and the Advocate prism sight that is mounted on my very fun to shoot Strybog 22. Gideon gives you great features like your choice of red or green emitters, shake awake technology, Picatinny rail adapters included, and all optics come with an outstanding lifetime warranty.
That's the new hotness, man.
Yeah, that one right there. It just, when you I mean, you hold it up the side. Of course, the barrel's going to be shorter and all on the officer, obviously, but just the overall profile and everything. You would think it being the 2311 in a match, it'd be okay. Well,
be giant.
It's basically the same.
It's a commander size.
The internal is different.
Yeah,
but it just has a total. This has just a.
It's got a different feel to it.
It's got this beefy, like it was just built to run profile.
Yeah, that's it.
You know,
it's made to run. It's made to shoot hard. It's made to run.
Yeah, very, very cool for sure on that one. So,
and I'm a full sucker for full rails, and not a lot of people are doing full rail guns anymore. So,
well, they just look good. I think
they do.
Is full rail like more of a European thing? I think it's
kind of. I mean, you had like the old Long Beach operators and stuff like that back in the day, and there's been a few full rail guns. It's just, I don't know. I like the aesthetics of it.
Yeah, I do too. I think it, like I said, I think it gives it that beefier look.
You do. Plus, you have every light option, every light, every laser, whatever accessory option you want to put on there. You've got the ability now.
Yeah, it doesn't matter the size of the light. No. Whatever light you have laying around, it's going to fit on this thing. I mean, you're not going to have to worry.
You got a 1990s like Insight soft flam system. Go right on top of that thing. Let's go.
Right. Now you're going to have to carry the battery on in a bag.
Yeah, you will.
Your shoulder or something.
But you got real estate for it now.
I mean, it would work. Yeah. So, man, that is awesome. So, how long has this been an idea? I know that.
Basically, since the 2311 was born, it was an idea. But we wanted to get the production gun done first.
Well, most people are going to be in it for the production.
Yeah.
Either for range fun, home defense, carry.
Yeah.
That sort of thing.
And it's not supposed to be like this be-all, end-all custom gun. Like, that's the thing about this gun is it's made to be. We have like a good, better, best idea. So this is your better.
Right.
Down the road, there might be a best. We'll see.
Yeah.
Got to stay tuned for that one.
Yeah. Very freaking awesome. Well, Chase, thanks for showing us these, man.
Yeah, man.
I appreciate it.
What we
Once
do.
Again, there is the officer. So if you like the 1911, you want a smaller profile, maybe to carry, and you're looking to carry double stack 45, I guess we could pay some homage to Para because they ain't around no more and ain't been.
Nope.
But this right here,
it's very Warthog-esque.
gives me, and I love my little Warthog.
Oh, Warthogs and Nighthawks are cool guns.
This gives me Warthog vibes. It does. My Warthog does not have a rail.
Nope.
The grip texture is not nearly as great as what it is on the 2311.
No.
So I'm telling you, if you missed out years ago, if you just got into guns and you found the Warthog, and you're like, man, I ain't paying broker prices and blah, blah, blah. There you go.
That's
man.
it.
That's it. That's the option, dude. Appreciate it, man.
Yep.
Appreciate it. So that's going to do it, man. Again, we're day 3 of NRAAM. We're out of here very shortly.
It's coming up, man.
Yep.
It's almost done. That time.
We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.